What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been away for a little bit. I was sick and then I had stuff going on with work and other complications, but I'm back. I promise you, I know I say it in every video, I am back to making content for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So basically what today's video is going to be about is I'm going to be getting rid of the old decals on my truck that we put on for Daytona, and I got some new ones that are purple that match the lift. And right now I'll be popping up a buddy of mine's page on Instagram called Swamp Sniper that I got them from. Go give them a check out if you want to get some logos of your business made for stickers or any kind of decals, anything you want. Really good price, really quick turnaround. Definitely look into them. They also do apparel, all kinds of stuff. So go give those guys a look out. And without further ado, let's check out these decals and let's get into the video today. So right here I got a package from Swamp Sniper of decals. Bear with me, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Just gonna show you what I got. I know there's some more stuff in here. Okay, so Swamp Sniper got you some cards, decals and apparel. Got their Instagram and Facebook on there. Send me another little sticker. And then here's their logo with their website on it if you want to go to it, check them out. And then I got some new window decals with my Instagram on it. And then I did a logo with my initials that we're going to put in the center window, which I think is going to look really good. This color is actually really close to the illusion purple that's on our lift. So let's go ahead and start taking the old decals off. So basically right here I got the stuff that you're going to need. I got a razor blade that I'm going to take out of here that you use to scrape the sticker off. I have some glass cleaner that you spray to get the extra glue off and adhesive. You can also use Goo Gone, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. I'm just using what I have, and then I have a microfiber to wipe it off. And then after we get our surface clean, I mean it's a little dirty, I probably could use a new one, but it'll do. After you get the surface clean, then we're actually going to take our new stickers and put them on. So let's go ahead and get to taking these decals off. So what you want to do is come right here to the sticker, take your razor blade or scrape tool and go scrape flush against the window. Not enough pressure where you're scratching it, because you will scratch the window. I've already done that before when I put stickers on. But just scrape enough with enough pressure just to get behind that sticker and peel it off. But like I said, the only problem I ran into now is that it's dark out. I'm losing daylight. I believe it's like 7:30 right now. So what I'm going to do is call it a night for now, and in the morning I will get the rest of this video going with us putting the decals on. So I will see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, welcome back. So it's the next day. I kind of ran out of daylight, like I said last night when I was taking the stickers off. As you can see in the back right here on the window, we got the stickers taken off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the new stickers and we're going to get them put on. So let's go ahead and let's get to it. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking our new sticker. We're going to be placing it somewhere right here on this window. I don't know if I'm going to do it more like that, probably more like that, or if I'm going to center it. Not really sure which one looks better. I'll probably put it closer. I might just center it and put it in the center. I haven't really decided. Maybe that looks better back there. I'll probably put it more closer back here. But basically you want to make sure that when you peel your sticker and the parchment paper, the only thing I will say is this parchment paper kind of sucks. I guess it's just, you know, whatever quality parchment paper they use, because some of the stickers aren't peeling with it. There you see, we got that completely off. So now what you want to do is line it up wherever you want to put it. And you want to take your scrape tool behind it, and as you stick it, push all the air bubbles out of it. Just like that. And come right back across it and push any kind of air bubbles out you have. So now we should be able to come back right here and slowly peel it off. Now, same thing that we done to the other side, we do to this side. Last but not least, we're going to put the big boy on our back window right here that we cleaned off yesterday. Now let's go ahead and let's peel her off. A little bit of air bubbles in them. I'm not too worried about it. You know, down here in Florida in the heat, it'll push some of that air out. I'm not too worried, but the color I think just looks really good, man. Really, really good. So as you guys can see, the stickers came out good. I'm happy with the way they look. There's a couple air bubbles here and there in some of them, but like I said, I'm not too worried about it. The heat should take care of that. Being that I live down here in Florida, with it being so hot, in a couple days they should be gone. But I think that the color really matches our lift pretty close to the Illusion Purple. So like I said, shouts out to Swamp Sniper. Thank you guys for getting me some nice decals. And kind of what I want to talk to you guys about now. It showed me on YouTube when I went on my analytics, it said that 98% of you guys aren't subscribed. And if you guys like my content or like my videos and have a YouTube account, you know, just hit that subscribe button down below. It's free. It helps me out. It helps grow the channel. I did a giveaway about a month ago. I got another giveaway coming up soon when we hit more subscribers, but it helps me know that you guys like what I do, and it helps keep me motivated to keep going. That's pretty much gonna wrap up the video here. Stay tuned, got more coming, and I will see you guys in the next video.